We have the news coming in, breaking news in regard to the ED's petition in the High Court against the TMC leader Mamata Banerjee. Now, the ED officers have said that they were wrongfully restrained by the Chief Minister. She, in collusion with the police of West Bengal, violated all law and order in the state and forcibly took away possession of the digital devices. Now, this as Mamata Banerjee visited the IPAC office during the searches, and the ED accuses her of removing key evidence. Now, she in fact is going to be protesting against the race in minutes from now. She is going to be taking a distance of 6 kilometers. That is, she will be leading the procession from Jadavpur to Hazra, and that is of course the BJP reacting to what has really happened here with a scathing attack by Ravi Shankar Prasad on the Chief Minister, accusing her of unconstitutional and irresponsible behaviour. Anushka, my colleague, joining us to get us details. Anushka, take us through what has been revealed by the ED as far as this case that is in the Calcutta High Court, that is being taken up by the High Court. What is the ED really saying on the matter?
Well, that's right. The ED has finally clarified, and NDTV has in fact accessed exclusive details about how this whole incident was linked to IPAC in 2021 to 22 during Goa elections. IPAC had in fact utilized all that money that they had gathered from the illegal coal mining activities to in fact utilize for the Goa elections. Now, in this whole case, they were using international and domestic Hawala channels. One such Hawala operators called, several Hawala operators were in fact used in this whole case. Kantilal was one Hawala operator that they had in fact used to transfer the money. Money was transferred from Kolkata to Goa to one person whose name has been said to be Akshay Kumar, who works in Hearts and Pixels. It is an organization that was working in close coordination with IPAC during the Goa elections. Now, in this whole case, how the ED investigated this whole case was Anup Maji, who is said to be the main accused of the coal syndicate, has been in fact said that his accountant was the one who was operating these Hawala channels. A WhatsApp chat has revealed all these information about how ED had in fact gotten their hands and how IPAC had gotten under the ED scanner. In this whole case, the money was being in fact transferred for the Goa elections. That was in fact actively being utilized. It was transferred to an event management company, that is ASM Event Tech, and all this money was in fact being utilized for the Goa election that happened between 2021 to 2022. ED had access details about it because of the CBI investigation that was also in fact parallelly going on in this case. And we have now seen that after ED yesterday went to raid 10 different offices related to these premises, we saw the political action that in fact
let's
took
also
place
talk
there.
about Mamata Banerjee. They're tweeting. She's gone on to say that she strongly condemns the shameful and unacceptable treatment that has been meted out to our members of the parliament.